Okay. Hello, good morning kids. My name is Uncle Ray. You may also know me as Katarina's dad. Today I'll show you how to make something fun and interesting. So what is that? I'm gonna make what I call as sushi bread. What is sushi bread? Do you know sushi? The Japanese food? Usually made of rice and fish. But today, I'm not making those kind of sushi. I'm making sushi made from white bread, peanut butter, and some jelly. It's delicious. So, all you need are some white bread, peanut butter jelly. If you are allergic to peanut butter, you can use chocolate spread, or maybe you can use strawberry jam. If you don't have strawberry jam, you can use blueberry jam or pineapple jam. That's fine. It's very simple, right? Oh yeah, I almost forgot. You also need Oreo cookies. If you don't have Oreos, you can use any kind of cookies you have at home. So, what's the first step? The first step is I'm gonna take a couple slices of white bread. Okay. I'm using this small knife. If you're afraid of knife, you can use the plastic knife, it's fine. We're gonna cut the edges of the bread or the skin of the bread, right? I'm not gonna using the edges or the skin of the bread, so I just throw it away. Okay. So we have this white bread clean. Okay. Next. I'm using plastic wrap and cover up the bread. Okay, after we cover the bread, I'm using a rolling pin to press it down. If you don't have a rolling pin, you can use any kind of unused bottle or empty bottle. It's the same. All you need to do is just press it down. Press the bread down so it becomes thinner and flatter. Press it until they become flat. Nice, we get this Oreo cookie. Yummy. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take some of the cookie. I put it down in the middle of the bread. I spread it down like this. I spread it evenly like this. Very simple and easy, right? Now I'm gonna wash my hands, okay? Because we're gonna roll it down, so make sure your hands are clean. After I wash my hands, now I want to roll the bread. I'm using my bare hands. I'm rolling the bread like this. Okay. Now I'm gonna press the bread a little bit so it becomes tighter. So it becomes tight and easy to cut. Okay, perfect. Okay, now we're gonna plate our sushi bread. It looks kind of bit empty, right? Don't worry, we're gonna make our strawberry jam sauce. So how are we gonna make the sauce? It's very easy and simple. Just take a couple spoons of this strawberry jam. You can use blueberry jam or pineapple jam, whatever fruit jam you have at home. Now I'm gonna give it some water. I mix it with some cold water. Yeah, mix it with some cold water to thinner the jam so it becomes a sauce. Okay. I think I put too much water. So what I'm gonna do, I put some more jam. Mix, 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 mix. Awesome. Now I'm gonna do the plating. Nice. So what is missing? We put another topping later, okay? I give a bit dot in here, just to make it prettier. I put it some here, okay? With the leftover cookies, I'm gonna put the topping like this. Put topping like this, put it like this, put it like this. put it like this. Okay. Okay, here we go. Our special sushi bread made by Uncle Ray.